What's going on, everybody? This is Alan Lowman with Lowman Education. And listen, if you're a Texas teacher, I've got a game-changing tool for you to use this year. And it's 100% free. I was a Texas teacher for 11 years and at a Title I campus, and we kept being awarded distinctions from TEA because of our high master's rate. And let me show you the tool that we use to get this. It's called a frequency chart. We have it for math, for science, for RLA, and for social studies. Let me show you the social studies example. Here's a unit. Here's how many days we're going to spend on this unit. On day one, here's the concepts we're covering, which TEK it aligns to, but most importantly, how many times has this individual concept been assessed over the last several years? And bam, instantly as a teacher, you can see, man, over this unit, here are the 3 things that really pop out that my kids need to know. And then even more powerful, you can click on these X's and they're hyperlinked to the exact release star test question. Man, this was game-changing information for us to have as teachers to help us prioritize. Here's the math example. Here's a science example. Here's a RLA example. You want to download these frequency charts to be game changer for you, go to lowmaneducation.com, create an account. Once you got an account, click on Focus Package, and then bam, there's the frequency chart for you to download. We've got other great videos. If you want a longer version of this, we've got that video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're adding new content all the time. Man, I hope this tool helps y'all this year.